Hi everyone, today we're exploring Foxit PDF Editor's main features. I'll show you the essential tools you need to manage, edit, and organize PDFs seamlessly. Let's get started. First, I would like to start here on the Home tab. The Home tab is just a collection of the most widely used tools from within the software. Things like taking a snapshot, maybe editing text, some simple annotations, and our AI features. But the look and feel of the software should be familiar. As a Microsoft Gold partner, our collaboration allows us to integrate their Office ribbon technology seamlessly into our PDF software. It's the exact same look and feel as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and all the other Office applications you know and love today. This ribbon really helps jumpstart your experience with Foxit, and it's very easy and intuitive. So let's go ahead and jump in. Just to the left of the Home tab, I'm going to start here with a file menu and all the different ways we can open PDFs. Of course, we can open any recent document on our computer, but just like Office, we have to add a place function here that opens up and looks at all the different document management systems that are available. So services like iManage, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Google Drive can be accessed here to check out your files, edit them, and then check them back into the cloud service without having to save them locally. There are a lot of different ways to create PDFs as well, starting with conversion from a single file or multiple files, creation from a scanner, and an easy way to combine files. But many people hop here to the Properties tab first and foremost to take a look at the description properties of a file, including items like how a PDF was created, the PDF version, page size, and more. Next, the Security tab is very important to see exactly what we're allowed or not allowed to do to a PDF based on document restrictions, or maybe a password protection that has been applied. Of course, we can use Save and Save As function to save our files locally or to a document management system. But Foxit also comes with a PDF printer. The Foxit PDF printer can print file types to PDF while allowing the user to customize the print, such as page range, setting margins, and deciding to print comments or stamps to the newly printed file. But also at the top, we can click Properties. Look at all the default settings on our computer, where we can print to the highest quality or always print to the smallest file size when using the Foxit printer. Foxit PDF Editor also has a batch print function that can select multiple files and batch print them together, while utilizing all the customizations that the Foxit printer offers. Next, on the File menu, there are many ways to share, and we'll go over that on the Share tab, but we'll get to that at the top. I can easily export a PDF to a variety of formats, including images and Microsoft Office files. This means I can convert the PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, or several other text formats if I just need to extract the text and save it as a rich text or plain text file. And now for some of the more advanced features here under the File menu, starting with the PDF Optimizer, where I can reduce the file size on a current file or multiple files easily, or use the more advanced Optimizer tool to get a lot more granular when it comes to other settings. So things like compressing images, embedding fonts, discarding objects, or discarding user data to help save up that space within our PDF file. It also includes the audit space usage tool, so we can see exactly what's taking up the most room and of course, optimize it. Appropriate from there, additionally, we can index PDF files, use the action wizard that will be able to create or manage actions such as making documents more accessible, optimizing them for scanned documents, or maybe web and mobile, or preparing documents for archival. And lastly, under the Preferences tab, there's a lot of different ways we can customize the user experience within the software as well. For example, if somebody prefers to always have a file open in a new window, we have that option right here. Or you can always open a file and have it open in a new tab like Microsoft Edge today. But there are also much more options, such as changing the language and allowing the user to instantly change the UI to meet their needs, or more advanced preferences such as how we're handling signatures or security within the software, and even allowing it to customize prior to deployment. And if you're looking to find something specific, you can use the search tool up at the top. To find it quickly, go ahead and hit that checkbox, hit OK, and again, customize the user experience for yourself. Thanks for watching. Join us in the next video as we explore more advanced features of Foxit PDF Editor, giving you even greater control over your PDFs.